We start with this breaking news where a New York judge has postponed the sentencing of Donald Trump over hush money payments to Stormy Daniels until September the 18th. The former president and current challenger pushed for the delay after the Supreme Court's ruling on immunity. James Matthews reports this morning from Washington, D.C.
They said that in some circumstances, a president can enjoy immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts. Within hours of that ruling, Trump's lawyers contacted the New York court and said, well, hang on a minute, given this change in the law, that changes the circumstances of his conviction. They think they have an opportunity to overturn that hush money conviction because evidence was presented to the jury during that trial that related to Trump's time in office. There were tweets, paperwork, public statements made about Michael Cohen, his former lawyer, and others whilst he was in office. They're saying to the judge they think they have a case for this conviction to be set aside because these were official acts, and under this new immunity law, Donald Trump should be immune. It is an early test of this new immunity law, Sarah Jane, and this newfound empowerment of a president for critics of the change in the law, and there are many, they are widespread in this country. It will be an opportunity when this goes through this New York court, when it's heard, these arguments are heard, an opportunity to calibrate the risk, as they would see it, to democracy and the rule of law. So September the 18th is a new date for the sentencing. It's good news for Donald Trump politically, if nothing else. He was due to be sentenced next week, 4 days before the Republican National Convention. That will now not be the case. It was looming large over that convention, but for the Republican on a roll, a man who's amassing results, as you know, over the course of the past days and weeks with TV debates and so on. Good news for now, although prosecutors, they make the point that they think his lawyer's argument is without merit.